Hello, my trading friends. You made it. It's Friday, March 5th, 2021, and your final cherry bomb trade of the week is in. And you can see over here on this thumbnail that it's Amazon. So can you be bullish on Amazon? I think I can. You know, one of the disappointing things about Amazon, besides the fact that the share price is super high, is its liquidity, though. I mean, like 2 out of 4. Ooh, bummer. And then today's cherry bomb also has us in the weeklies, which takes the liquidity that's already less than stellar and makes it worse. But I think we'll be able to make some lemonade out of the lemons today. So what do you say? Let's take a look at doing a short put vertical in Amazon. Amazon has an IV rank of 24 right now, which is lower than you'd expect to see for a tasty trade, to be suggesting short premium spreads. But we can collect what hopefully will be greater than 1/3 the width and have the good probabilities that come with short premium. So what do you say? Shall we hop on in and take a look? I hope you'll join me. All right. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. I'm down here in the corner now, nice and small, so we can focus on what I like to call the flight simulator. So here we are inside of Thinkorswim. It is our paper trading platform of choice right now, and stick around to the end so that you can learn how you can join us, whether or not you want to join us, right? I do appreciate when you guys watch to the end of the videos. It does help. So let's get started, shall we? Let's take a quick look at the chart for Amazon, and you can see we have reached a high back here, and when was this? September, and then we've been just flat, and then we've been on our way down. And I don't have any technicals in here to look at, but I do in Tastyworks a little bit. So let's go back over here. Nope, here. We can see that we're near the bottom of this Bollinger Band. We are definitely below here. We haven't crossed back up yet. This is lagging, right? We're still on a downward trend, but we've almost hit this bottom 30 mark on the RSI. So if these two are definitely the bullish signals. This one has not given us the bullish sign yet. So I suppose you could wait if you'd like, for this to cross over, but it doesn't seem to spend too much time down below this line. But yeah, hey, I suppose it could. This is that long horizontal period here. So I wonder, could this be a good opportunity to sell some premium? And when you do that, right, time works for you rather than against you, like we do with all these debit spreads we end up doing during low volatility, right? So this means if Amazon stays where it is, if Amazon goes up, and even if Amazon goes against us a little bit, we can still profit by expiration, which I think is 30-something days from now. So let's go take a look, shall we? Let's build out the trade. Go to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the April 9th weeklies, which as of today, the 5th of March, is 35 days to expiration. We can see that it closed at 29.77, but right now the bid is 29.71. It's bounced around down to the 29.60s. So, big price, big movements. Let's see what happens here. The original trade, the one that came from Tasty Trade, was down here where we would sell the 28.80 and buy the 28.70, and that's looking to create a $2.82 credit, $282 of credit, right? That means we haven't hit the 1/3 the width of the strikes on this one because we're looking at a $10 wide. We'd look to be making hopefully around that $333 mark, right? So what I propose as an alternative is let's just go and move our strikes $10 lower. Let's take and make sure that we're short, by the way, one contract of 28.70, and then buy one of the 28.60. You wouldn't think it, but moving further away, and this probably has a lot to do with the width of the bid-ask spread here, like, whoa, I don't know what we'd collect on that. You wouldn't think it would be more, but hey, maybe it will be. You never know. Especially because we're looking at a lot of red on the screen over here. Maybe NASDAQ popping down will bring Amazon with it, or Amazon will bring the NASDAQ. Who knows? But maybe we could get that. There's not a ton of open interest here because, hey, we're in Amazon and we're in the weeklies. So That's my proposal, is a modification to today's cherry bomb here. I'm going to go ahead, of course, and analyze this to understand our probabilities. So here we are. We've got the date set to the expiration. Where did I get that date from? It's in turquoise in the bottom left, April 10th. We've got our price slice set to break even at exactly expiration by going to set slices to break even at expiration. And we're looking at a 60% probability of profit, or ending up on or to the right of this gold price slice. Okay, so 60%. And back over here in Tastyworks, I have the same trade pulled up. See, we're short the 28.70, we're long the 28.60, and it's got a 77% probability of us taking half this off in the next 35 days, right? And what is that, by the way? What is half? Let's take a look. Let's know what we could lose and what we could make. Go to the confirm and send screen. We can lose $633. That's bigger than we'd like to lose, but considering how much one share of Amazon is, that's not too much to risk, right? Especially if you look at what you could get on return on capital. So here we could get a maximum of $367, right? So yeah, that's not too bad. Let's call it 180, right? Could 180 be what we could take off? There's a 77% chance of taking that off in the next 35 days. Sounds good to me. Sold. We'll just hit that send button and put it into the working orders here. We see that we have that there. I also am going to take off my call that I had, my covered call on the Target shares that we got assigned to us over Christmas break when I didn't pay attention. Right? So, all right. There we are, friends. How are you doing? How did you do this week? Love to hear from you in the comments. I appreciate the growth this channel is seeing, the likes that I get, the subscriptions. I really do. It means a lot to me. I mean, I do these 5 days a week, and I appreciate all of those views. So here's your thumbs up. I'm going to go to my other screen over here. Hang on a second. Webcam only. There we are. Thumbs up for you. I appreciate you. And, if you've already subscribed, super awesome. Thank you. I hope you've hit that bell, by the way, because these videos will notify you. If you ring that bell, you'll get notified when the videos come out. I set them to schedule them to come out at the time that the market opens. I hope that's the same for you. So what we do here, by the way, is we use Thinkorswim as a flight simulator. It's my new thing. I really do believe it 100% that this is the closest you can get to real trading. And before you put real money at real risk, why would you not even consider doing this? You got to consider doing this. You can get almost all of the learning without any of the risk. Try things. Even if it's not options, if you're just buying and selling shit because you think you've got the magic secret sauce, fine, test it out. That way you're not risking all that real money, right? You worked way too hard to get it. So let's build these skills together, okay? If you want to, you can hit that subscribe button, but definitely go down to the description, find the link, the bit.ly link. It'll take you over to Tasty Trade. Even if you just absorb their content, that's fantastic. But sign up for their email list, particularly the Cherry Bomb one. You'll get 5 emails a week. Monday's inspirational, motivational, and then Tuesday through Friday, assuming the market's open, right, you will get trade ideas. And we put those on here to test our mechanics, to test the theory behind all these trades and the probabilities, etc. All right. Once again, thumbs up for those of my new people that stayed to the end to watch this. It really does help. When you're ready to hit that subscribe button, we will still be here for you. I love doing this. I look forward to seeing you next week, everyone. If you have any trade suggestions, right? Hey, I want to see you to come up with a trade idea in this underlying. Leave me a comment below in any of my videos. All right, I see them. I see you. All right. Have a great weekend, everybody, and happy trading.